Great day, everyone! It is another day to gain some knowledge. This is Teacher Mary Carr, and welcome to Camplish.com. Today, we will have the preview of another interesting English information or article from this book, English Reading Basic 5. Let's learn and explore English. Are you ready now? Okay, let's start. Today, we will discuss Unit 30. Let's learn about this passage entitled Caribbean Folk Music. Look at the picture. You can see here an instrument called banjo. So let's find out what is the use of this instrument. Alright? So I will read it for you, but first I will read it slowly so you can get the correct pronunciation of the words here. And after that, you can join me in reading it again. So you have to listen very carefully. Alright? I will start now. Around the Caribbean Sea, there are many small island countries like Jamaica, Puerto Rico, Bahamas, and Haiti. People of these countries are festival lovers. At a festival, they play their traditional instruments, sing, and dance together. For example, a maraca is one of their favorite instruments. A maraca is a coconut shell filled with seeds and beans. If you shake maracas, beans and seeds make a sound. Banjos are also famous. A banjo looks and sounds like a guitar. With those instruments, they play samba or rumba music. And these kinds of music are all good for dancing. And now, let's read it again, but faster than the first one. Let's begin. Around the Caribbean Sea, there are many small island countries like Jamaica, Puerto Rico, Bahamas, and Haiti. People of these countries are festival lovers. At a festival, they play their traditional instruments, sing, and dance together. For example, a maraca is one of their favorite instruments. A maraca is a coconut shell filled with seeds and beans. If you shake maraca, beans and seeds make a sound. Banjos are also famous. A banjo looks and sounds like a guitar. With those instruments, they play samba or rumba music. And these kinds of music are all good for dancing. Alright, I hope that you got the correct pronunciation of the words. If you have some time, try to read it again to enhance your ability in reading. So, did you understand the passage? Good. Let's have some activities here and let's answer it together. So let's start on the first activity, which is select true or false. In this part, we will find out if the sentence is true or false. It is true if the sentence is correct according to passage, and false if not. So let's start on number 1. Haiti is a small island country. Is it true or false? The answer is, it's true. Let's see why this is the answer. Here is the sentence that will support our answer in number 1. Around the Caribbean Sea, there are many small island countries like Jamaica, Puerto Rico, Bahamas, and Haiti. Haiti is included. That's why it's true. How about number 2? A maraca is a kind of a dance. Is it true or false? The answer is false. Why? Because a maraca is one of their favorite instruments. It is an instrument, not a kind of dance. Alright? And number 3, a banjo looks and sounds like a violin. Is it true or false? The answer is false. Why? Because a banjo looks and sounds like a guitar. A guitar, not violin. Alright? Now, we've finished the first activity. Before we proceed to the second one, let's learn more vocabulary words first. That will be useful in making your own sentences. So let's look at our word box. We have here 8 different words. So I will read it for you, then repeat after me. Alright? Let's start now. Caribbean Sea. Festival. Traditional. Favorite. Shell. Seed. Bean. And the last word, shake. So now, let's go to vocabulary check-up. You can see here blank spaces, right? So we will find out the missing word by looking at our word box. Are you ready now? So let's start on number 1. What is your blank music? The answer here is its favorite. What is your favorite music? How about number 2? They are having a good time at the blank. The answer here is festival. They are having a good time at the festival. Then, number 3, some animals eat blank as their food. The missing word here is seed. Some animals eat seeds as their food. And last, number 4, what are the names of Korean blank games? The missing word here is it's traditional. What are the names of Korean traditional games? Alright, so I hope that you got all the correct answers here. This is the end of our lesson for today. I hope that you learned something from it. So, if you want to learn more and want to develop your English skills, you are welcome to visit camplish.com. Again, this is Teacher Maricar, and see you in our next video. Bye!